Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what we're going to do today is discuss passive profits and Impact Mailing Club and the promotion versus the bonuses that's going on right now. Tomorrow is going to be the last day to qualify for any of these bonuses or promotions. And it's great to take advantage of it because what it's going to do is basically help you speed up your results, because what you're going to get is items that you can use for your business that you would not normally get at a discounted price. Not only that, as far as Impact Mailing Club, you're going to be able to get bumped up to the next level when you decide to join during their promotion. It went on for about a week. I'm sorry, I'm looking for my notes. And tomorrow, March 7th, 2020, will be the last day to take advantage of their promotion. So what we're going to do first is talk about Impact Mailing Club and the promotions that they have going on, and then we're going to come over to passive profits and talk about the bonuses that's also going on until tomorrow. So with Impact Mailing Club, when you come in at the $250 level, you're going to automatically get upgraded to the $500 level. Normally it's $500 to get to the Sapphire level, but they're going to let you upgrade by just paying $250. And my bonus is going to be 100 customized flyers when you join by tomorrow. Please make sure when you decide to join, you can pay electronically or by mail. It has to just be post-dated by tomorrow. Please feel free to reach out to me to make sure that I have the information that I need from you in order to send your stuff out priority mail. At the $500 level, you're going to get a total of 50 stamps, 100 customized flyers, and you're going to be upgraded from the Sapphire level to the Diamond level. So normally for the Diamond level, it costs $1,000 to get in. I'm sorry, actually $2,000 to get in, but you're going to be able to get in for $500 to the Diamond level. So think about it. If this wasn't a promotion, you would be paying $2,000 in order to receive payouts at the Diamond level, but they're going to give it to you for $500. And again, tomorrow is the deadline. Okay. At the $1,000 level with the Impact Mailing Club, you're going to get 50 stamps from me personally, 100 customized flyers, and a free customized website for your business. It's going to include your flyer for your Impact Mailing Club, and it's going to do all of the selling and telling for you. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to use this website. This will actually go a long way, and you'll have it forever by just paying the $1,000. It's yours to keep. For the $1,000 level, you're going to be upgraded from the Diamond level to the Double Diamond. Now, normally to get into the Double Diamond, it is $4,000. $4,000 to get into the Double Diamond. You're going to be able to take advantage and get into the Double Diamond for only $1,000, okay? Not only that, you're going to get the 50 stamps, 100 customized flyers, the free customized website. Now, that's what's going on. Again, tomorrow is the last day, and we're going to just go over passive profits. For those that don't know, it is a postcard program, so it's a little bit cheaper because you're just putting stamps on a postcard. Postcard stamps are cheaper, but we're going to go over the bonuses that you're going to receive when you decide to join this opportunity. So we're going to go past the featherweight, the lightweight, and we're going to start here at the welterweight. You do not get anything but what you see here at these levels. So for the featherweight, you're going to get 100 leads, 1 book of stamps, a $10 gift card. For the lightweight, you pay $300. You're going to get 300 leads, 3 books of stamps, and a $25 gift card. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because what I'm going to do is for the bonuses, when you come in at the welterweight level, which is $500, you're going to get 500 leads, 5 books of stamps, a $25 gift card, the free vacation stay, 1 month of free training, direct mail training, and I'm going to also give you a digital postcard that you can use for your business. And in our training, I show you exactly how to use that. That's going to allow you to get a ton of traffic to your website when you join passive profits. At the middleweight, $1,000, you're going to get 1,000 leads, 5 book of stamps, 50 gift cards, a free vacation stay, 2 months of free direct mail training. And at this level, I'm going to not only give you the digital postcard, you're going to also get a free website, okay? And the free website is going to do all of the selling and telling for you. Normally that costs $147, okay? So that's what you're going to get at the middleweight. Remember, at these different levels, you're going to be able to get 50% payouts on each level. So if you come in at the $500 level, you're going to be able to collect unlimited $250 payouts. At the middleweight, you're going to be able to collect unlimited $500 payouts. For the cruiserweight, it's a one-time payment of $2,000. At the cruiserweight, you're going to get the digital postcard additionally, along with the website. I'm going to also send you out additional stamps at the cruiserweight level. When you call in to get started, there are still additional bonuses. Please make sure to ask the closer what are the additional bonuses that they have available, and they will tell you this information over the phone. The heavyweight is a one-time payment of $4,000. You get 4,000 leads, 20 books of stamps, a $200 gift card, free vacation stay, 4 free months of direct mail training. I'm going to give you additional stamps, 100 additional stamps at this level. You're going to get the website, the digital postcard, and along with that, you're going to get additional, there are additional bonuses that come in at this level. Again, you will have to call in to the 1-800 number to get started. So if you click on here, this information, this website is in the description below if you want to check it out. When you click here, it will give you the 1-800 number. And along with that, it's going to give you my ID number. So this is the 1-800 number to call. You would leave a message with the ID number. Someone will call you back, okay? That's my ID number, and this is the 1-800 number to get started. Passive Profits have made well over $150,000 in the first month. We have over 350 members. It is not slowing down. The leads that we're getting from the company that provides the leads are actually converting. We have a lot of phone calls coming in on a daily basis, and people are signing up and they are getting started, okay? I could just show you really quick what the digital postcard looks like. So again, we have digital postcards, and we show people how to use these digital postcards to get a ton of traffic to your link, okay? And we also show you where to place these digital postcards. So this is what it looks like. The digital postcard is really nice. It stands out. It's converting. So people can either go to your website to get more information, or they can call into the number and use your ID number to get more information and to get started. These are member-to-member payments. You can accept payments electronically or by mail, okay? So those are the ways that we get paid, member to member. Again, your money does not go to the company. Money goes directly to you in your hand, in your bank account. When you get started, you'll get 50% of everything that comes in. Okay, so these are the levels. Those are the bonuses for Impact Mailing Club and the promotion for Passive Profits. And again, tomorrow's the last day. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or if you need me to help you get started. My information is in the description area of this video. I will be available for the weekend, so I look forward to hearing from you. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and have a great weekend. I'll speak to you again next week. Bye-bye.